we are providing the power supply. This is the negative, this is the positive terminal. The laser is connected from the power supply through these wires. This is our LDR. The one terminal of the LDR is connected from the ground and another is connected to the base of the transistor. The positive pin of the buzzer is connected to the emitter of the transistor, and the collector is directly connected with 5 volts. Here we have connected the resistor to the base of the transistor, and the other side of the resistor is connected with 5 volts. As you can see here, the laser is falling on the LDR and the buzzer is not beeping. As soon as this line between the laser and the LDR is cut by any object or person, the buzzer will start beeping. Here we are using the transistor as a switch.